Hello friends, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to talk about haloalkane. So compounds derived from hydrocarbons by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms by the corresponding number of halogen atoms are termed as halogen derivatives. Many halogen containing organic compounds occurs in nature and some of these are medicinally useful. For example, the chlorine containing antibiotic chloromycetin or chloramphenicol produced by soil microorganism is very effective for the treatment of typhoid fever. Our body produces an iodine containing hormone called thyroxine, the deficiency of which causes the disease goiter. Some synthetic halogen containing compounds are very useful in health care and medicine. For example, chloroquine is useful for the treatment of malaria fever. Now classifications. Halogen derived or derivations by hydrocarbons broadly classified into two types. Aliphatic halogen compounds. These are obtained by replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms of an aliphatic hydrocarbon by an equal number of halogen atoms. Depending upon the nature of the aliphatic hydrocarbon, whether alkane, alkene, alkyne, aliphatic halogens compounds are of following three types. Haloalkane. Haloalkanes are the halogen derivative of alkane. They derive from alkane by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms by the corresponding number of halogen atoms. Chlorine, fluorine, bromine or iodine are called as haloalkanes. These are classified as chloro, bromo or iodo compound according to the type of halogen present in them. Methyl chloride, this is ethyl iodide and propyl bromide. Depending on the number of halogen of atoms in the halogen derived, these are termed as mono, di, tri and tetra halogen derivatives. Monohalogen derivative, these derivatives are formed by the replacement of one hydrogen atom or by one halogen atoms. You see CH3Cl, one hydrogen replaced by Cl, CH3CH3, one hydrogen replaced by Cl. So ethyl chlorides. So monohalogen derivative or alkyl halide are classified as primary, secondary or tertiary depending upon whether the halogen atom is attached to primary, secondary or tertiary carbon atoms. Now primary 1 degree alkyl halides. Look at here, this chlorine attached with this carbon and this chlorine is attached with this carbon. When the carbon atom containing halogen atom is linked to only one carbon atom, then it is called primary carbon atom. Now secondary alkyl halide. When the carbon atom having halogen atom is linked to two carbon atoms, that is secondary carbon atom. You see this is the carbon of second carbon where at chlorine is present, here in chlorine. Now tertiary or 3 degree alkyl halide, when the carbon atom having halogen atom is filled to 3 carbon atoms, means replacement. So you see CH3, CH3, this carbon contains chlorine, this is tertiary. Dihalogen, when compound contains two halogen groups. Geminal or geminal dihalides, one carbon contains two chlorine, then we call it geminal. Vicinal, when two carbon is present on different carbon, then we call it vicinal. Alpha to gamma halogens, terminal dihalides, you see this chlorine and this chlorine, we call it 1,3-dichloropropane. So trihalogen derivatives, if 3 hydrogen replaced by chlorine, very good example is chloroform. So tetrahalogen derivative is example of carbon tetrachloride. So, haloalkanes or alkynyl halides, you see this is the vinyl chloride, this is the allyl bromide, this is the chloride chloride, you see, and cinnamyl chlorides. Haloalkynes or alkynyl halides are the halogen derivative of alkynes. You see, this is the chloroethylene, this is the bromo, 1 bromoprop, 1 wine, and so on. Aromatic halogen compound, they are obtained by replacement of one or more hydrogen atom of the aromatic hydrocarbon by an equal number of halogen atoms. Nuclear halogen derivatives, we call it aryl halides. You see, this is the chlorobenzene, and 1 bromo 4-methyl benzene, and other name is also. Side chain halogen derivative, you see, this compound contains Cl, this compound contains 2Cl and this Cl. So we call it 1-chloro 1-phenyl methane benzyl chloride. This is 1,1-dichloro 1-phenyl methane benzyl dichlorides, and so on. Classification based on hybridizations of carbon atom linked to the halogens. You see, the compound contains CX bond where carbon is sp3 hybridized, alkyl halide or haloalkanes. We already discussed about 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. This is 1 degree, this is 2 degree and this is 3 degree. Allyl halides, you see, this is the allyl positions. So this chlorine, this is the double bond, and this is allyl position, this is double bond, this is allyl positions. Now benzyl, you see, this is the benzene and CH2, this is benzyl positions. If chlorine present here, then we call benzylic halide. Compound containing CX bond where carbon is sp2 hybridized. You see, this chlorobenzene, chlorine attached with this carbon, and this carbon is sp2 hybridized. This is also sp2 hybridized. This halogen containing carbon is also sp2. Phenylic halides, you see, double bond, and this is the carbon and this is the chlorine. So this is also a phenylic halides. You see, halogen are attached directly with double bonds, so it is called phenylic halides. Now nomenclature of halogen compounds. In the common or trivial system, the monohalogen derivative of alkane are called alkyl halides. So you see, CH3Cl, methyl chloride, chloro. So haloalkanes and these alkyl halides, and so on. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.